valves are located on the upper part of the engine in direct connection with the air intake. Their role is to open and close according to the engine explosion cycle. The burnt gases go out through the exhaust valves and create carbon deposits. The same reaction appears on the intake valves because of the EGR valve. Depending on the driving habits, these deposits can prevent the valves from closing and therefore from sealing. Loss of power, engine noise, fuel overconsumption, difficult start. Use Bardahl 360 5-in-1 machine to clean the air intake. Cleaning procedure duration, 2 hours. Products used, diesel air intake cleaner. Protect your hands and eyes during the procedure and avoid contact with skin. Eco-friendly. Particles of soot are completely dissolved and burned, not released in the environment. Choose the correct size of diesel venturi disc provided with the machine. Read the default codes with the diagnosis tool. Cancel errors if any. Check the engine oil and coolant levels and make sure that the tank contains a quarter of fuel. Connect the machine to the car battery. Push the on-off button until the lines light up. Pour the diesel air intake cleaner into the appropriate tank located at the back of the machine using a funnel. Choose the correct size of venturi disc and connect it while the engine is running. Place the venturi as close as possible to the throttle body after the air filter and the intercooler, but never on the turbo inlet. If necessary, disconnect the power from the EGR valve and the airflow sensor to obtain a stable idle speed. With the setting button, adjust the number of injections per minute. Start with 30 injections. Push on the on button to start the cleaning program. Start the engine. The optimal consumption is 100 ml for 10 minutes. Disconnect the venturi disc and connect the original hoses again. Disconnect the machine from the car battery and reconnect the airflow sensor. Read again the default codes with the diagnosis tool. As the airflow sensor has been disconnected, there will be errors. Cancel them. Immediately run a driving test for 20 to 30 minutes. Drive the first 1000 meters between 1500 RPM and 2000 RPM. Progressively accelerate up to 2500 RPM to 3000 RPM. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter. Use Bardahl engine flush.